I'm going to show you how to set the parental control on DX4 watch. First step is to press the home button, and then we have to go for the settings. Click on the setting icon. Now scroll to the last, just like this, and you will see there is an option parental control. So just here click on the parental control. On the screen it will give you the message to access the parental controls. Hold your finger on the screen for 3 seconds. Just check the message. It will say tap the yellow button 3 times, or maybe blue or green. So 3 times. 1. Get the correct answer. Once you get the correct answer, click on the yes. On this screen we can select this for the school, and that is for different games and timings. So that is the school mode. In this mode the watch will display like disable. Every week you get the timing. Here we can select the timing, and then we can click on the every day and then confirm it. To disable it, first press this home button. Change settings, yes. Again we have to press and hold the screen for 3 seconds. This time it's asking for the green, to tap 3 times. Again we have to solve this. Go to the school icon. If you want to disable or change the timing, you can do from here. So right now I'm just going to do it for disable. Now if you want to again go and just restrict the time for the games, then go to the settings again. Look for the parental control, and then we have to tap the green button. So it depends if it will ask you the green or blue. Go to this section. Here we get the game time per day. Here we can select how much time we can allow for the gaming. So we have up to no limit. Disable games 15 minutes, 30, 60, 90. So anything you want you can select from here and click on the yes icon, and the settings will be saved. So this way we can do the parental control setting in this watch. Thanks for watching.